Hello, I'm making this video for you, prospective IEC students, to see how you can download Zoom Messenger, which is what you'll be using for your online classes during IEC's Session 3 and Session 4. In order to participate in your classes, you will need to install Zoom Messenger. This is a video conferencing service. The way you will do this is to go to zoom.com, which will redirect to zoom.us or possibly zoom.fr or zoom.jp, wherever you are in the world, right? Then you are going to go to Resources and click on Download Zoom Client. The Zoom client can be installed on any device. It can be installed on a Mac, like I'm running it here, or on a PC, on an Android phone, or on iOS for iPhones. So since I have already installed the Zoom app, I'm not going to do that step, but what you would do is you would click Download Zoom for the appropriate type of device that you're using, and you would install it as you normally do for any program. Now I'm going to show you what it's like to sign in. So when you have installed Zoom, you'll see in your taskbar a little blue icon with a white video camera like this. You click on it, and it will open a window where it asks if you want to join a meeting or sign in. I'm going to choose sign in. It is possible to join a meeting as a guest. However, since you will be doing this every day, you will want to create your account. So since I already have an account set up, I just used Facebook to sign in. You can use Google, or you can create a password to go with your email address. I'm just going to click sign in with Facebook. And what did I just Oh, now it's asking me if I want to open zoom.us. And I say yes. And now, here I am. I'm in my personal meeting room. Watch the video about how to sign into your classes to see what it's like to join an IEC class. All right, that's it for now. Thank you.